Hi everyone, how are you all? I'm pretty good here. In this video, we will watch the famous ISHA Yoga Center at Coimbatore. Please watch this video till the end, and if you like it, click the like button and see other videos either in the channel. And if you like them too, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the future new videos. The ISHA Yoga Center is situated at the foothills of Velliangiri on the outskirts of Coimbatore, and this is the headquarters for ISHA Foundation. ISHA is a sacred space for self-transformation where you can come dedicate time towards your inner growth. The center is dedicated to fostering inner transformation and creating an established state of well-being in individuals. ISHA Yoga Center provides a supportive environment for you to shift to healthier lifestyles, seek a higher level of self-fulfillment, and realize your full potential. Now we are walking towards the famous Adhi Yogi Statue. This is 112 feet high. The ISHA Yoga Center is situated 30 kilometers west of Coimbatore. Coimbatore is a major industrial city in southern India and is well connected by air, rail and road. Major airlines operate regular flights to Coimbatore from Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore. Train services are also available from all major cities in India. There are direct buses between Coimbatore and this center. Taxis can also be booked from the airport as well as the railway station. Alternatively, you can contact the Yoga Center's travel desk to book a taxi to the center. Right now we are standing right below the statue and you can see the mandapam in front of the statue, like where they perform rituals and pujas and all stuff. It is widely believed that Adhi Yogi Statue here is to liberate you from the disease, discomfort and poverty. The statue poses as an astounding masterpiece of craft and the stonework. Now we can see the surroundings and the famous Western Ghats. So this place lies in the foothills of Velliangiri Hills. So that's a different trekking destination where you need to pass like 7 hills to reach the top of the summit. So we have made a video on that and I'm sharing the link in the description. Now we can see the statue both from the left and the right side. The places to visit in this yoga center are Dhyanlinga, Lingabhairavi, Suryakund and Chandrakund. Suryakund is the energy pool where the men can take bath and the Chandrakund is the place where women take baths. Dhyanlinga is the place where we normally sit silently for a few minutes and do some yoga which relaxes our mind. They do provide the bullock cart service to commute the people from one place to another. Accommodations are available at the center and it's available only by prior booking. There are enough stalls and food shops available in this area, so people can buy a lot of juices, snacks and food, and they do have the tender coconut shops, so it will be very useful for people during the hot season. Now we are walking towards the Dhyanlinga Center from Adiyogi. Various stalls have been situated here. Right now you can see a lot of people are sitting inside the shops and having food. Different varieties of food are available. Both like Tamil Nadu and Kerala cuisines are also available over here. This is the bullock cart service as I told before in the video. Before entering the entrance, we have been asked to surrender all our belongings, including the mobile phone, camera and all electronic items. So this is the center where we need to deposit all our belongings. So people are queuing up and depositing their items. Sadhguru is the author and designer of several unique buildings inside. and there are various spaces for yoga and for worshipping God and all this stuff. Uh, yeah, since I didn't get the camera inside, I couldn't able to shoot inside the center. Right now we have reached the end of the video. Hope you all like this video. Like, unfortunately, I couldn't take camera inside as they have asked me to surrender in the gate. So maybe we can plan it in the next video. Thanks for watching till the end. Take care.